One summer night,
Want this edit? Worry trend edit.
one summer
Let's start editing. Add your first clip, duration to 0.3 seconds. Add keyframes to center the image on the screen if needed. And simply add graphies out. Then add 0.9 second black photo as a filler. And add your second clip as an overlay. Before you add the overlay, get a spot at the near end of your first clip where you want the mix transition to start. And add keyframe to mark the spot. Align the first part of the overlay clip right near the end of the first clip. Ensure both clips have the same action. To see if you align the correct spot, reduce the opacity of the overlay clip. Using the added keyframe, align both images. If you added keyframes earlier to center the image, you can remove it and leave the newly added keyframe to create a good flow of zoom out on the first clip. Aligning on the last keyframe of the first clip, adjust the opacity of the overlay to 50% and add keyframe. And at the beginning, reduce to 0 opacity. Then at the end of the first clip, adjust the overlay clip opacity to 100%. It should look like this. Now at the end of the black photo, split your overlay clip and delete the last part. So the overlay clip duration is 1.3 second. Checking the mixed transition we made. When finished, remove the music for a while and export the project. Go back to the project and tap Undo to bring back the music. Add the exported project and reverse it. Then split the clip on the part where the first clip is shown. And remove the last part. Now split again on the part where the mixed transition is shown. On the first split clip, you need to adjust the clip using the speed normal to sync with the music. Make it 0.4 second. To sync the second split clip to the music, you need to adjust the end part a little bit. Make it 0.7 second. Ensure that the mix transition flows smoothly. Now duplicate the last clip and reverse the copied clip. Check both clips, end part and first part, should be similar. Now duplicate the first split clip. And place the copied clip at the end. And change the duration to 0.9 second. And then reverse. Ensure it flows smoothly again. And when you finish the four clips, Duplicate and place each copied clip at the end. To finish the mix reverse transition, you need to duplicate the first clip again, and place it at the end. And adjust the speed to make it 0.5 second and to sync with the music. Now check again your mix reverse transition. Then add 0.2 second fade out animation on the last clip. To continue the edit, add 5 slow motion video clips. On the first clip, add 0.2 second fade in animation. In the middle part of the first clip, add effect blur under nightclub. Then split the clip and set object to all videos. Then adjust. Zoom the second split clip. Duplicate the effect and replace it to fuzzy under glitch. On the second clip, freeze the beginning of the clip. And overlay the freeze clip, then trim to 0.6 second. Remove the background. Add keyframe at the end and at the beginning, hide the image. Then add graph flow too. Add effect, white flash under nightclub, and place it at the beginning of the second clip. Do the same steps to other clips. You can hide the image at right side and left side if you want.